Hey everybody, welcome back to Chill Dad Reviews. In today's video, we're going to be checking out a multi-function weight bench. So if you're looking to upgrade your workout room or you want to get started into fitness and you want to work out from home, then this video is for you, so stick around so you can get all the details. So let's not waste any time here and jump into the details. The full name of this weight bench is Finer Form Multi-Function Weight Bench. It can do a whole range of different things and we'll go into those specifics in a little bit. I actually got this over the holiday season. This was a gift for my son as he wanted to get more into fitness, and I fully support that and anyone else in the world who wants to do so. This was an Amazon purchase and I paid about $230. Right now I think it's about $240, $250. Not too cheap, not too expensive. I didn't want to get something too rinky-dinky that wasn't going to last long term, at least 5+ years, especially as I keep building up, our workout room here and I get more workout equipment for my son and he continues his fitness journey. I didn't want to get something that wasn't going to last long term. Let's go over the build quality and assembly first. This will come in a box with a bunch of different pieces, and it took me less than 2 hours to do, and I did it all by myself. It came with all the screws. It comes with like a little tool set, like an Allen key and a wrench, so you can get everything nice and tight. Nothing was missing, everything lined up. There was nothing damaged or out of place. I paired this multi-function bench with some foam padding underneath and a set of dumbbells that goes up to 25 pounds. The assembly for me was easy. I didn't have any problems with it, and you shouldn't either. We've had this for about 3 months and it's still really new, and unfortunately when it comes with these type of things, you really don't know how it's gonna last until you really use it consistently over a long period of time. So I'm hoping it holds up. Also, don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing if you like these type of videos. As far as all the individual pieces, everything seems like a really strong, solid metal. I didn't find anything flimsy that would concern me. I also appreciate that they added reinforcing bars on both sides of the bench for that increased stability. As far as the padding goes, it's pretty firm and it does its job. Now the specs say this can hold up to 1,000 pounds. Fortunately, there's no way for me to test that. You're just gonna have to trust what they say. So what can this multi-function bench do? Well, for starters, you can go a full incline on 90 degrees, or you can go down to -30 degrees on the decline. Just with the incline and decline alone, you can do a lot of different types of exercises. You can work out your core, you can do a decline chest press, you can do shoulder presses with the incline. Of course, you can do the flat standard chest press. Just a ton of exercises on those alone. Another great exercise is a hyperextension, which is really great for your lower back and core. And I don't really know what to call this piece, but it's fully removable, and this is how you're gonna do those hyperextensions. But it's also gonna be great for those bicep curls, if you really wanna get a lot of that concentration here on your biceps. So far, during all the exercises I performed on this multifunction bench, there was no shaking or wobbling or made me feel unsafe in any way. Setting up all the different positions on this weight bench is all done through a knob or a pin, which takes a few seconds. I didn't have any problems trying to put it into certain positions. Some of them you have to tighten and loosen, but that's only for safety reasons, so I completely understand. As far as the weight and size of this bench, it's kind of in that sweet spot. It's not too big, not too small, and it doesn't weigh too much that you can't move it. I don't think you'll have any problems fitting this in any size room. I don't have any big gripes against this multi-function bench, but I will say their listing is a little misleading. It says it has a 3-inch foam padding, which is completely false. It barely is 2 inches. However, the padding is firm and I didn't feel like I was laying on a piece of board. Overall, I think this is a great multi-function weight bench. It feels like a high-end bench that you would find at a gym. You could do a huge range of exercises, which is going to be perfect if you have limited space. If you're looking for a multi-function weight bench, then this is definitely a good pick. All right, so I'm going to wrap up this video. Don't forget to follow my other channels, Chill Dad Gaming and Chill Dad Lifestyle. If you're interested in this multi-function weight bench or the foam padding, you'll find those links in the description below. If you do use my link to make that purchase, it does help support the channel at no cost to you. All right, everybody, have a great day. I'll see you in the next one.